Tell me I can do this. Hey, hey. Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire? Tell me I can do this.
Hey guys, I am back home. I finished all my water, so I'm about to just fill myself up another cup. You know we're on the right track for the day when we've already finished. Also, how much is this? 32 ounces? A whole 34 ounces of water before noon. Guys, I'm literally so happy classes are back open again. I swear there's nothing better than getting up in the morning. I know it's dreadful when you actually have to get up, but there's nothing better than getting your workout done first thing in the morning, getting a good sweat, and you just feel like you can literally just take on your whole day. I'm about to take my vitamins. Y'all know I take the Ritual vitamins. Y'all know I love these vitamins. I've been taking them forever. So I took the prenatals when I was pregnant, and now I take the Essential for Women every single day, 2 little capsules. So again, I'm a huge fan of Ritual. So when they reached out to me to try out one of their newest products, I was so excited, and I honestly am so in love with it. So I'm so excited to share with you guys their new Essential Protein. So this here is a vegan protein. It is made from pea protein, and I've been using this in my protein shakes. It's so good. It's vanilla flavored. It's so creamy and delicious. I know some protein powders are like vanilla flavored, cookies and cream flavored, and you drink it and you're like are my taste buds off? Because it does not taste like that at all. But this is actually sweetened with fermented sugarcane and monk fruit. I literally look like an egghead in these clips, but don't mind that. But back to the protein shake. I love this protein shake so much because it contains 9 essential amino acids, which helps to build lean muscle, also satisfy your appetite, and it also supports your bone health as well. Something I found really interesting is that most adults in the US actually are eating enough protein, which I was like, wow, we're doing something right. But actually turns out a lot of us aren't hitting these subgroups within the protein food groups. So this also contains choline and also L-methionine. I think I pronounced that right, L-methionine. So the L-methionine is an essential amino acid, and then also the choline is an essential nutrient. Choline is actually really great because it supports your brain health and also helps fill in your dietary gaps. As I mentioned in the beginning, it is pea protein, so it is vegan friendly, but it's also gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, and also they use non-GMO ingredients. And it also comes with this really great scoop. So in this scoop, you have 20 grams of protein. So I'm gonna use a scoop of this and make my shake. I'm gonna show you how I use it. I'm using my Blendjet. Y'all know we love our Blendjets in this house. So I'm just gonna add some almond milk, some yogurt, some frozen fruit. I keep my smoothies very simple. Me and Mel are so opposite when it comes to our shakes. Mel will put the entire fridge, the entire pantry in a smoothie, and I'm like, just keep mine to almond milk and fruit, please. Like I do not need the most. One of my favorite things about Ritual as a whole, like not just the protein shake, but also their vitamins and everything that they sell, is that everything is fully transparent and fully traceable. You guys can go on the website and see specifically where those peas in this protein shake were derived from. You can see where the vanilla and the flavoring was derived from. They're just super transparent. They don't fill it up with any BS, any artificial fillers or additives or anything like that, artificial sweeteners. They keep everything so simple and so clean, which I really love. I'm gonna add almond milk, scoop of the Ritual protein. Hey, there we go. Some of these frozen strawberry and banana, and a little bit of our favorite yogurt brand. You guys know we love these Noosa yogurts. I'm using the blueberry flavor. Let that blend while I clean up. So just like the vitamins, they do have other formulas of the shake for specific age groups. So they also have one. So I have the one for 18 plus, but they also have one for age 50 plus. Then they also have the shake for pregnancy and postpartum. I know it's hard to find shakes when you are pregnant, so they do have an option for pregnancy and postpartum as well. Y'all already know I always hook you guys up with a discount code, so you guys can actually get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual by going to ritual.com/NAS10 and using my code at checkout, which is just NAS10, to get that discount. So I'll put a link to Ritual down below. Again, the discount code works for the shake, vitamins, and everything on the website. So make sure you guys use my code, a link down below. I'm just gonna go ahead and drink my shake, take a shower. I think Mel and I are actually gonna catch a movie now that my mom is here. I don't know if I told you guys that my mom is here, But my mom is here, so we're gonna actually go watch a movie together. Again, we are so excited to go to the movies. We've been wanting to see A Quiet Place for such a long time now, and I think it's only gonna be in box office for like a few more days. So luckily she came just in the nick of time for us to go see it. So Mel's actually at the gym right now himself. We were actually gonna go last night at like a 10 o'clock movie, and we were like, there's no way we're gonna stay up for it. It's crazy. Now that we're parents, we cannot stay up and watch a movie past like 9 p.m. Like it has to be before 9 p.m. So we're actually gonna catch a matinee. We're gonna go at like 3 p.m. I have not been to a movie at 3 p.m., but I guess that's just parent life for you. Woo! So hot. Bruh. It is hotter than the devil's booty hole out here.
It's Miami.
It is Miami. I think it's hotter here than Miami, huh? Wait, my lens is dirty.
I know I like hot.
I like it.
I really don't mind the heat. When
like
people are like, how do
This
you
hot?
live
Okay, not this hot. You can't even wear a full face of makeup comfortably in this weather.
I like it.
Like 80 is reasonable. It's 100 degrees outside, you guys. 100. What's up, guys? It's actually the next day. I didn't continue the vlog yesterday because y'all saw we went to a movie. So Mel and I went to see A Quiet Place 2. It was really good. I loved it. It had me on my toes the whole time. Did you see A Quiet Place 1, Yas?
I don't like those types of movies, right?
She doesn't like horror and anxiety filled movies. Literally, like my heart was pounding the whole time, but it was so good. I think Mama would like that movie, don't you
Drama?
think? Mama likes drama. I swear. I'll be like, do you want scary mom? She's like, I want drama.
Like romantic comedies.
Yeah, Yasmin likes like Eat, Pray, Love. Mama likes Lifetime movies, and then I like Saw. That's like how it works. No, I like drama too.
I love Lifetime movies, like drama, like some type of. But I don't like scary drama.
Mama wants like the guy is having sex with the secretary and gets her pregnant, but she's really like her cousin's sister,
Right.
and then they kill each other at the
I
end.
like a Spanish movie.
Telenovela.
She
Oh, like a
loves
telenovela.
Oh my God! Remember we were when I was little, we would watch Maria del Barrio
Nazi was in my stomach.
I thought you were watching Young and Restless.
and Young.
Yeah,
Mom had like
100%.
14 shows she was watching at once. Oh, I just hate
This is
Kavari.
Yeah, I have to take out all his toys in here.
Wani.
Let's go, Mama.
Anyways, we went to go see that movie. I loved it. It was really good. And then pretty much after the movie, when we got home, it was already... Guys, give me this toy.
I'm so sorry. I don't even know which toy it is.
It's the one that took the drum top. I got it. I'll just turn it off.
Oh,
Give it to me. This is I know how to work.
How do I open? Oh.
Okay. Am I ever going to finish this sentence? Okay, so...
You know what? I'm just kidding.
So, we came home from the movie. It was like 5 p.m. By the way, it was...
Yes, you had to.
I'm sorry. Okay.
So, pretty much the movie, by the time we finished, it was so weird going to the movie during the day. Mama thought we were so crazy, but you see now, Mom, we can't stay up anymore. We fall asleep if we go to a late movie. So, I even look over at Mel. Mel's like this. I'm like, Mel.
Your parents.
Right. I'm like, Mel, it's like 3 p.m. Like, wake up. So we got home from the movie at 5 p.m. I'm tired because, again, I got up at like 7 a.m. for Pilates. I took an hour-long nap. Then right when I woke up, we went out to dinner. We went and got Persian food.
I like your eyes color.
Thanks, Mom. When you're the favorite? No,
Mom
our
loves me too.
brother is our favorite. Who are we kidding? She doesn't even deny it. Did you see that? She didn't even
Because
deny
every time I say I told you no, you are the same. Say no.
Honestly, I feel like the oldest son will always be the favorite. But yeah, we just went out to eat, and then after that we went to bed. So literally there was nothing else to vlog for the rest of the night. And then today is a new day. We're going to Aldi's, Mama's favorite store. Mama needs to be sponsored by Aldi's and HelloFresh and Diet Coke. Those need to be like your sponsors. Yeah, we're going to Aldi's. Mel has been asking me to make him salmon for 1,000,005 years. So we're going to go buy some salmon. I'm going to cook that up later. I'm going to show you guys how I make my salmon. And then...
Maybe we took Kavari to park.
Yeah, and then me and Mom are going to take him onto the park. Yasmin has her own errands to run. She wants to go to like Ulta and things. By the way, I didn't even say that you're here.
I'm here, guys, if you guys didn't notice.
Yeah, Yasmin's visiting from Miami. And Mama. We have a full house. So, yeah, let's hit the show on the road. Wait, I messed up the camera there. Y'all, we did some damage. That's for sure. Y'all already know Mama had to pick up her favorite, Jersey Mike's. Guys, jokingly, I told Mama to get the giant, and she actually got the giant. Hold on, Mom, show me how big it is. Oh my goodness.
What we are 3 people.
Okay guys, we're back from the grocery store. I'm just about to marinate the salmon so it has time to, you know, really soak up the flavors before we cook it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my salmon. So years ago, I watched this video on YouTube. I'm gonna try to find it and link it down below for you guys. But ever since I watched this recipe, don't mind Yasmin and Kayvon, they're upstairs playing. Ever since I watched this recipe video, this is how I've made my salmon since. And I made it for dinner parties. I make it on Thanksgiving. Everybody loves it. It's so, so yummy, so flavorful. So here is how you do it. So I already grabbed my salmon. I went ahead and patted it dry. I would ideally like to cook this on aluminum foil. Trust me, it's making me uncomfortable that I just put the fish on the baking sheet, but we don't have foil or parchment paper or anything. But I just went ahead and dried the salmon. I also just melted some butter. So yeah, I just melted some butter. Guys, I'm so glad my mom is in town because as you guys have been seeing in the vlogs, we have not been cooking in the house that much lately. Like ever since I got sick, I've just basically like stopped cooking. My mom, she is not about eating out. She does not like eating out at all. She's like, it's a waste of money. I'm gonna let this be a chance for me to get back in the kitchen, you know, make my recipes that I used to always make. Hopefully it'll inspire me to start cooking again more. So yeah, I just wanna pour your softened butter on top. I actually ended up removing a lot of the butter, you guys. I told you I've not been in the kitchen in a minute. Like obviously I cook, honestly I like be cooking like HelloFresh. But I have not cooked my like recipes in a minute. But fish is fatty, you know what I mean? You don't want to put too much butter like I just did. So I'm going to rub it in. I'm going to wash my hands before I season. Seasoning, first going in with garlic salt. I always just use garlic salt as my salt because I like how it has, what is the cilantro? Parsley. It has parsley in it, so I just like how it adds those flakes. It looks pretty. Little bit of garlic powder. Lemon pepper. Ideally, I like to use Laurie's, but we're out of that. I got this one from like, what, Burlington Co-Factory or something like that. But yeah, just any lemon pepper will do. Sprinkle that on top. Now this one you can go in with. This might sound weird, but Montreal chicken on salmon is so fire. It has like, what's the seasoning blend on here? Garlic, onion, salt, spices, and herbs, black pepper, parsley, red pepper, orange peel, and green bell pepper. That's what's in here. Last but not least, paprika. We all know that doesn't really add too much flavor, like just regular paprika, but it adds color, which is also a plus. So here's what my salmon looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some gloves and rub it all in and give it a good massage. Just a little bit more of my butter. Mom, what size are these gloves? Large? Really? They're huge. Yeah. Keep on coming off. Now I'm gonna grab some lemon slices. I'm gonna place this on top. I'm gonna try to pop out as much of the seeds as I can. So I'm not gonna add lemon juice to it until it's fully done cooking. Then we can go in with the lemon. But I love lemon. You guys know me. Like sometimes I'm always scared to cook for people because I like so much lemon in my food. Like I like my food when I eat it, I'm like, but I know some people are like, that's way too much citrus. So I always gotta ask them like, do you like lemon? If they're like, no, I'm like, okay, let me tone it down because if you like lemon, I'm gonna make this shit lemony, trust. Here is a close-up of the salmon. How good does that look, you guys? I'm gonna obviously switch out the trays to another baking sheet to cook it. Because obviously I don't want to cook all the seasoning onto the pan. But when I tell you guys, this fish is so seasoned. Even if you're someone who's like not a big fan of salmon. Guys, trust me, I used to not be a big fan of salmon when I was younger. And it really was just because I just didn't really like how it was prepared. You really learn that as you get older. Sometimes it's not the food that you didn't like growing up. It really was just like the seasoning on it and stuff like that. Let me tell you, this fish, like this salmon, everybody's going to love. Even if you have someone in your life who's like, I hate fish, they're going to be like, wait. That is so good, especially if you like cook it well. Shushi wants to help. Yeah? Dyson too. Shushi. He was doing it until he saw the camera. Uh-oh. Look at the curls though. That's how you make some salmon, huh?
Wow. Okay.
Steam the broccoli, and you know what we like in steamed vegetables. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. I am literally exhausted. It is past midnight. I'm ready to hit the hay. We ended up going out after we ate dinner and we just got some dessert. We went to this hookah shop. Honestly, we've been there a few times and literally the service just went down so badly. Like, I don't know what it is, but I felt like the service was so bad. I looked it up on Yelp and a lot of people were saying that recently their service has just gone downhill. So I'm like, okay, I'm glad it's not just me that feels that way. But yeah, guys, we're just about to get ready for bed and go to sleep. Make sure you guys check out Ritual in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, y'all.